Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fish using colored paper, updated. Fold a square in half, cut a rounded tail, and crease body folds to form fins and mouth. Use layered paper for scales, glue small triangles for texture, and add a googly eye or drawn pupil for personality. Finish by attaching a string to hang or place on a card for gifting to friends and enjoy. Gather your supplies and set a tidy workspace before starting craft time. Choose paper weight that folds cleanly without tearing. Origami or lightweight cardstock works best. Precut a few sizes so you can make tiny to large fish quickly. Keep glue and markers within reach to speed assembly. Make a palette of colors that contrast for scales and fins to create lively, playful fish that pop on cards or as mobiles. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing fun projects. Quick recommendation: I love using leak-proof containers for storing scraps, tiny googly eyes, and beads while crafting because they keep everything tidy and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set that fits your needs. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by creasing a square diagonally to get symmetrical guides for cutting and folding. Fold edges into the center to define the fish body, then pinch the tail area and trim a rounded V or curve. Add small accordion folds for textured fins and glue layered scale pieces from bottom to top. Use a marker to draw details and a dab of glue to secure any loose bits for a clean, finished craft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.